Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for the Not Too Shabby Fall Retreat event. I am an instructor, yay! So I could not be any more happier. And I wanted to do an unboxing of the retreat kit. So let's get started. There is so much goodness here. So look at these pretty, actually they're beautiful enamel dots, and they're sparkling enamel dots, and it's a golden harvest for our fall retreat kit. And then we have harvest critters. Aren't they so cute? I already see that cutie with the coffee. So cute. And then we have our stamp set, and this is by Christy Marcotte, and it is called Everyday Sentiments or Everyday Greetings, sorry. And it's just so nice. Look at the font on those sentiments. I just love them. You have just because, here for you, you are loved, hello friend, happy hello. And I just wanted you to see them a little bit more clear. Just a note, I've been using that a lot lately. You're awesome. Sorry for the glare. Happy birthday for you. Just a little hi from me. Oh my gosh, I'll probably use that one a lot. Grateful for you. Yes, I'm so grateful for my friends and my family. Hugs with sympathy. So just every single sentiment on here is just going to be so useful for your everyday greeting cards or projects. And so I just love that. So that is designed by Christy Marcotte. I hope I pronounced her name right. And then we have leaves here. So this leaf stamp set is called, it's designed by Call Me Crafty Owl, and it is Harvest Leaves. And there is coordinating dies with this, and there is a coordinating stencil. And so you can grab this bundle. I'm not done with the bundle yet, but you can grab this bundle on sale, limited time. I believe it will end July 20th, the bundle price. This is Golden Harvest, and it is a 6x6 paper pad. It goes perfectly with this retreat kit, and the leaves and just the patterns are just amazing. Here is that stencil that you can stencil with your stamp set, or you can stencil with the dies. So isn't that great? You can just stencil on your cardstock and then use the coordinating dies to cut it out. And if you don't, well, this bundle comes with the dies, but I can also fussy cut these leaves out. Since I don't have the dies, I may do that. So we will see what I will teach for the retreat event, which is September 18th through 19th, and the 18th is a free day open to the public, and the 19th is not a free day, and it is a live class with activities, fun activities. And so check out all that information. I will have more details in the description, and I will leave my links down below as well. And so here are the critters, and we are going to see them up close here. And this is the harvest critters, and look at that beautiful wreath. So pretty. And you know I love green, so I had to show it on green here, which I may use this cardstock, so we will see. And I just love that cutie raking the leaves. You have pumpkins. Let me see, you have the fox and a squirrel and acorns, and I'm going to go in a little closer for you. And how sweet is that one? Oh my gosh, that one gets me. And then we have a raccoon, different raccoons, that one holding the apple. That's so good for teachers, right? We have an owl, and I love the pretty mushrooms. So I am so excited for this retreat kit. Aren't you excited? Oh, I can't wait to see what you guys create with it. And that one, oh, so cute. I love bunnies. And then you get doubles or maybe triples, different. Sometimes there's different sizes. I love that bear. So I am looking at these ephemera pieces with you for the first time. So I am just so excited. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. Cute heart with leaves. There's that another cutie, and love deers. Super cute. So you can definitely put one of those sentiments, a happy hello, next to one of these critters. You can use the stamp set. It's just all so great and coordinates so perfectly together. And here is the paper pad, the Golden Harvest. And I love fall. I love fall paper, and I just want pumpkin spice coffee right now as I am, oops, sorry for, I backed up a little bit. Sorry for my movement. I just want pumpkin spice everything because it's summer right now, but I'll still take a hot pumpkin spice latte or anything. Hot chocolate. I am that person who will drink hot beverages in the summer. And I do love iced as well. Look at those beautiful leaves. I love those colors, and you can turn it either which way. And I love how that orange pattern looks. And look at this green one. So amazing. And I'm just saying I may use the green. Who knows? I'm so drawn to it. And then we have this red pattern, really pretty. And I love the brown because you can never have too much brown. And look how pretty that is. You can even use the leaf dies and cut those out with these pattern papers. So lots and lots of options. And I love gingham. So isn't this an amazing retreat kit? I can't wait for you to get it and join us for the retreat September 18th through 19th. And thank you for joining me today on my channel. Have a wonderful day.